Agile team, and you'd find a pivotal role, the product owner. This role is akin to a bridge, connecting the needs and desires of stakeholders to the team. To put it simply, they're the voice of the stakeholders within the team. Not only do they represent these needs, but they also act as the foremost source of information about the problem domain for the team. Imagine having a massive pile of tasks and not knowing where to start. That's where the product owner steps in. They prioritize the team's work, helping to bring order to potential chaos and ensuring that everyone's efforts are focused where they make the most impact. But their role doesn't stop there. The product owner also serves as the team's spokesperson to the stakeholder community, presenting the team's work and progress. They're the team's advocate, championing their efforts and achievements. So the product owner is truly the team's navigator, charting the course and ensuring everyone's rowing in the right direction.